In this video, I will show how to find out Excel file location. So open your Excel and click on File, then Info, and here the option Open File Location. Just click on it. You will see this notice. Click on Yes. So here you can find the file location. In my case, it's a document on C drive. This is the way, guys, you can find out the file location. And another way, just you click here, Open File Location. Also, you can copy path here and paste in Explorer. Press enter. That's it. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.